or areola. Wait for baby's wide open mouth, making sure her tongue is down. Then quickly bring baby up onto the breast so her bottom lip is pushed back to create a suction cup. Let baby take in a large mouthful of breast, not just the nipple. She'll take more of the bottom part of the areola than the top. When baby feeds, there should be no pain. If there's any pain, then take her off by inserting your finger in the side of her mouth to break the suction and start. Begin the latch with your baby's chin resting on your breast. Your baby should take your breast and nipple deep into her mouth. When she feeds, you should feel a tug, but no pinching or pain. Breastfeeding will be comfortable for you and effective for your baby.
To promote your baby's sensory development, the soft, comfortable Baby Tummy Time Water Mat is the perfect sensory toy for developing solid head, neck, and shoulder muscles, as well as refining the hand-eye coordination, fine motor, and social skills. It is durable and waterproof, so it doesn't wet your baby's body. Just fill water into the middle of the water mat and inflate the edge of the Tummy Time water mat with air. When emptied, fold it flat and it will fit into a backpack. If you're looking for toys to help baby crawl, you won't be disappointed with this one. 2-in-1 developmental toy encourages crawling with lights, music, and movement. Stage 1, pre-crawling, easy to hold, be rattle wobbles but won't fall over. Stage 2, beginner crawlers, cloud moves in circular pattern and stays close so new crawlers don't have to go far. Stage 3, advanced crawlers, cloud moves in random pattern to encourage chasing. Designed to grow with your baby through 3 stages, our motorized crawl toy challenges and encourages little ones learning to crawl with colorful lights, energetic tunes, and sweet buzzing sounds. Features movable beads and rubberized details for teething.
Is on their own timeline. On average, most babies walk by the time they're 12 months. Don't compare it to other kids in your group because everyone has their own timeline and most of it is developmentally totally appropriate.
Well, that's good to know. How can I encourage walking?
One way you can encourage your baby to get moving is to make a mess, which is probably pretty easy in your nursery already. So you can scatter toys around the room and that'll motivate them to get moving and get to their toys.
Nursery floor covered in toys? Check. What else can I do?
You can also take toys off the floor and lift them above their level of their eye. This forces them to really pull to stand and explore everything that's up here.
A whole new world, just a foot higher. Who knew?
As your child pulls themselves up, they can also cruise along furniture. Sofas are great for this, but you'll want to make sure they're stationary and not rockers like this. The American Academy of Pediatrics warns against the use of walkers like this because they've been known to cause serious injuries, and we want our kids to be safe and happy as they explore.
Let's keep this baby walking injury-free.
And remember to be patient, don't get discouraged. A few falls and a few bumps are just all part of the journey. Let them just explore their environment and eventually they'll walk and then you'll have to keep up.
Great, gotta get my steps in somehow.